Good day, sir, madam. I'm Levi Del Rosario, 36 years old. I'm single parent. I have one son, 16 years old. I am undergraduate of Bachelor of Science in Agriculture. About my working experience, I work as domestic helper, as taking care of their children, 3 years old and 4 years old. At my second employer, as I also finished 2 years contract as taking care of children, 9 years old and 11 years old, and at the same time, I household works like cleaning their rooms, toilet, preparing food, and I accompanied them to school.
Okay, good day to you, Miss Levy. How are you right now?
Sir, madam, I'm fine.
So, why the employer select you as their domestic helper?
Sir, madam, if you select me as domestic helper, I do my best, my duties and responsibilities. I am hardworking, honest, responsible, trustworthy, loyal, and I work without your presence, madam.
Okay, so are you good enough in taking care of children?
Yes, madam.
So, can you tell me how to take care?
Yes, madam. In taking care of children, madam, I must prepare their food, their lunch, their breakfast, their dinner, preparing their school, their things to go to school, and when they arrive, preparing them to change their clothes, to take a bath, to eat their food or lunch or dinner.
Okay, so in case the child had an accident, what will you do?
First, madam, I do my best, the first aid, and then I will inform you, madam.
Okay, so what if you committed a mistake and the employer scolds you, what will you do?
Sir, madam, I'm going to listen to your comment, keep quiet, and then follow your comment, and I say so. I'm sorry, madam, and I will not do it again.
What is your last message or promise to your future employer?
Sir, madam, I promise to you that I finished my 2 years contract.
Thank you, Miss Levy, and hope to see you soon in abroad.
Thank you, sir, madam.